All right, guys, welcome back to Cheatham Street Relics. This is just an update video of one I did a couple weeks ago on the 2003 Buick Century that was hit by a deer. You saw the damage to the car in that video, and since then they have taken it to they took it to a local salvage yard here that had a silver Buick Century. It was either a 2002 or maybe a 2001. Whatever it was, the parts were interchangeable. So they had another fender and door put on this car. Looks pretty good. Not perfect, but it it definitely looks a lot better than it did after the deer ran into it. If you go back and watch that video, you can see what it looked like, because it tore the fender completely up. It messed up the door to the point to where the door wouldn't even open, and it broke the mirror off of it, and it also broke the vent shade. But looks better. Looks a lot better. You see this fender here. It's not perfect. Like I said, it's not 100% perfect. It's got a little ding in it, a little bit of a pushed in spot right there. But you have to really be looking close to notice that. And then the door, the trim piece on the door, if you look close, it's a little bit wider piece of trim than what is on the back door, which is original. Apparently this door came off of a Century Custom. And then the mirror on this side, on this door, is silver, where the original mirror is black. But like I said, guys, it works. It looks a lot better, and those things I pointed out, if you didn't look close, you wouldn't even notice that. And then this new door, or this actually used door, new to them door, it actually had a vent shade, a plastic vent shade on that door. So, because it did break the one on the other door, so they've got a full set of vent shades again now. So anyway, guys, it's just an update. They did get the repairs done on the car, the fender, the door, and then the salvage yard. Actually, they have a shop there, a mechanic shop as well. They do a little bit of body work apparently, and a little bit of mechanic work. But they pulled them off the other car, put them on this car. I think he said it was like $450 total for the parts and for the labor and everything. So I don't think that was too bad. Something else I'll show you real quick on this car. This car originally had steel wheels with plastic hubcaps on it. Well, they had a Buick LeSabre. It was a real nice car. My mother crashed it right up here at the end of her street. I think I got a video on that on here from probably about 2 or 3 years ago. But the wheels that are on this car now are the solid alloy Buick rims, and pretty nice looking wheels. And those are the wheels that came off of that Buick LeSabre. So, and of course these are 15-inch, 205 65 15s. All right, guys, like I said, just an update video. The 03 Century is back looking decent again. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.